AXIOM provides unparalleled speed, resolution, ease of use, and durability in one sleek package. From PLA and ABS to nylon and polycarbonate, AXIOM has you covered. Because of its advanced Core XY motion system, AXIOM can print at these high speeds while still maintaining great resolution. The most advanced auto-leveling system has been developed from the ground up by the engineers at Airwolf, allowing the user to focus on printing, not setup. The most advanced desktop 3D printer is here. AXIOM, the new premise of desktop 3D printing.